IBM Bluemix Platform as a Service is built on Cloud Foundry. It's important to understand the Bluemix Cloud Foundry internal architecture components such as Droplet Execution Agent, or DEA, Cloud Controller, the router and interaction between the DEA and the Health Manager in a Cloud Foundry Platform as a Service environment. This slide shows the Cloud Foundry architecture and the components. We will describe the functions of each component in the next slides. For routing, the router routes incoming traffic to the appropriate component, usually a cloud controller or a running application on a DEA node. For authentication, the OA, Auth2 server, the UAA, and login server work together to provide identity management. For application lifecycle operations, the cloud controller is responsible for managing the lifecycle of applications. When a developer pushes an application to Cloud Foundry, the cloud controller stores the raw application bits, creates a record to the track application metadata, and directs a DEA node to stage and run the application. The cloud controller also maintains records of organizations, spaces, services, service instances, user roles, and more. The Health Manager monitors applications, reconciles the current state, example, running, stopped, and crashed, and expected state, and directs the cloud controller to correct state mismatches. For application execution, the Droplet Execution Agent, or DEA, manages application instances, tracks started instances, and broadcasts state messages. The application instances live inside Warden containers. Warden manages isolated, ephemeral, and resource-controlled environments. Containerization ensures that application instances run in isolation, get their fair share of resources, and are protected from noisy neighbors. For application storage, the blob store holds application code, build packs, droplets required for the process of the application deployment. Applications typically depend on services such as databases from third-party software as a service providers. When a developer provisions and binds a service to an application, the service broker for that service is responsible for providing the service instance. The key components of messaging is message bus. Cloud Foundry uses NATS, or lightweight publish, subscribe, and distributed queuing messaging system written in Ruby for internal communication between components. For logging and statistics, the metrics collector gather metrics from the components. Operators can use this information to monitor an instance of Cloud Foundry. The application log aggregator streams application logs to developers.